Is your Xumo remote's home button not working? Don't worry, it's a common issue and often easily fixed. First, determine if it's a simple problem. Ensure fresh batteries are installed, 1.5 volts per AA battery. Check for obstructions between the remote and your Xumo device, especially if it's an IR remote. If those are fine, the most likely causes are software glitches or connection issues. We'll quickly run through remapping, resetting, and updating, the key steps to get you back to streaming. Let's start with remapping, which reprograms the home button. On Roku devices, navigate to Settings, then Remotes and Devices, Remotes, and select Program Remote. For Fire TV, open the Alexa app to reassign functions. Ensure a direct line of sight if using an IR remote to avoid signal interference. Next, try resetting. For a soft reset, simply remove the batteries for 30 seconds and reinsert them. This clears temporary glitches without losing settings. A hard reset or factory reset erases all custom settings and requires repairing the remote. Use this only as a last resort due to potential data loss. Finally, check for updates. Navigate to Settings, then System, and select System Update. Ensure you have a stable internet connection with at least 5 Mbps speed. This downloads and installs the latest firmware, which can fix button responsiveness issues. If none of these solutions work, your remote may have a hardware issue. Contact Comcast support for warranty replacements to get a new remote.